Welcome back to our web dev series. In today's episode, we will simplify the foundation of JavaScript. आज का वीडियो में हम JavaScript के बारे में सिर्फ बेसिक टॉपिक्स लाइक वेरिएबल्स और डेटा टाइप को रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जांपल्स के साथ समझेंगे. Versus Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a language of web which helps making websites interactive and dynamic. But its reach extends far beyond browsers. Browsers that powers interactive elements and user experiences on websites. Mobile apps. It is used to build cross-platform mobile applications with frameworks like React Native and even servers. JavaScript can communicate with servers with the help of Node.js. JS runs on the server side for backend development and APIs. Today we will dive into the fundamental building blocks of JS, JavaScript, variables, and its data types. What are variables? Variables are containers for storing data values. Variables एक कंटेनर की तरह होते हैं जिसमें हम डेटा को टेम्परेरी स्टोर करते हैं. So here you can see a bottle labeled water. You can drink the water and refill it with juice later. The label stays the same but the content changes. That means labels are variable and stores content. Variable syntax declaration is, here you can see, let name is equals to John, where age is equals to 25, const pi is equals to 3.14. So we can declare variables using var, let, or const. Var is the old one and it has broader scope, generally avoided in new code due to potential issues. Var have function scope, have reassignment, and can have hosting, whereas let have a block scope and have reassign but cannot hosting, and const have block scope but cannot reassign. So let model is a modern way to declare variables. Can be reassigned but not redeclared in the same scope, but best practice for variables that change. Const is for variables that should not be reassigned after initial declaration. It is used for the values that remain constant. Variables in real life. That is user profile. Thinking about logging into a website, how does it remember who you are? So for that, let username, that is Rahul here, let user age 21, const is logged in, that is true. When you log in, these variables store your unique information. The website can use username to greet you, user age for age restricted content, and is logged in to know you are authenticated or not. So this allows for a personalized experience, remembering your preferences and spread across different pages. So before going to this JavaScript data types, what are the naming rules? So naming rules is start with letters, underscore, or dollar. Variables should not have any keywords. So variables को हम नंबर से स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं and reserved keywords use नहीं होने चाहिए. So that's the naming convention in JavaScript variables. So data types classify the kind of value that variable holds. So it have primitive, that is immutable, and non-primitive data types like objects, arrays, and functions. Primitive data type like string for text, number for integer floats, boolean true false, null, intentional absence of any object value, undefined, that is variable declared but no value assigned, symbol, that is a unique identifier, big int, arbitrary precision integers. Non-primitive data types that represent collection of values and more complex entities, they are mutable. Objects, key value pairs, arrays, ordered list of values, and functions, that is reusable blocks of code. So primitive type simple values होते हैं, objects जैसे complex data को non-primitive बोलते हैं. Primitive data types in action. So let's see how primitive data types are declared and what values they hold. Let's string. So it holds a string like it here, like name is equals to number. That is a string data type. Number, numeric data including integers and decimals. That is let age is equals to 22. Boolean, logical data representing true or false conditions. Let is a student true. Null represents the intentional absence. That is let phone equals to null. Undefined let address but doesn't assign any value. That is undefined. Objects and arrays in real life. So non-primitive types allow us to store more complex structured data like objects that have key value pairs. Let we have created an object student. So let student is equals to have key value pairs like name, Priya, age, 20, course, p tag. So objects are like a cabinet with labeled drawers. Each label key points to a specific piece of information, that is value. They are perfect for describing a single entity with multiple properties. Arrays having ordered list, that is let hobbies like coding, reading, cricket, that is stored in an array, that is ordered list. Arrays are like can be shopping list. They store an ordered collection of items. Each item can be accessed by its index position, and it is useful for grouping similar type of data. So that's all for today. We will explore JavaScript operators, and don't forget to like and comment. आज के लिए इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में हम JS operators सीखेंगे. So practice step that try to build a simple student information form using HTML for structure and JS variables and data types to store the student details. Till then, thank you.